Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to make the best Instagram Reels. So to do that, let's head over to Instagram. And when you're in there, you just need to click this your story right here. Click on camera. And once you're in there, you will see here an option on the bottom that says Reel. Let's click that. And in here, you can record something that you want to use. Also, you can upload the video that you have chosen in the past few days. So right now, let's record. So here is what I recorded. What I need to do next is to add the music if I want to do that. So here is the music icon. Let's try adding a music. So you can search here music. You can also search anything you want. So let's search for this music right here. And then you can hover over what lyric you want to add. I will add this right here and click on done. And it will load to my reel. So I can position it whenever I want. Also, I can add this effects right here. So let's click that. You can add filters that you want to use. So let's try to add this. It doesn't really appear to me because I've used a blank sheet to this reel, but as you can see, this color pink is indicated that the filter has been applied. So what we can do next is to click this right here. So you can adjust the speed of your reel by clicking this. If this is 1 times, then this is the normal speed, but you can also make it 2 times faster or whatever you want. To undo the changes that you've done, you just need to click this icon right here. You can also add layout and timer. And when you scroll down in here, you can see a lot of things that you can do to edit your reel. So if you're satisfied with everything, what you need to do next is to click this next right here. And then in there, you can add text, music again, stickers, draw, or effects again, or you can also save this to your gallery. So let's try adding text. So just put here anything that you want to add. And you can reposition it like this. And when you click it, it will edit this open. And you can choose the font that you want to use. You can also choose the color like that. And when you click the smiley icon in here, you can open all of this. So in here, you can start a poll. You can add your sticker that when the users click this, they will be able to add something of similar content on their stories or reels. You can also add a quiz or this emoji reactor or your avatar or another photo or this stickers that Instagram has. So this is the draw icon. Let's click that, and in here you can draw something that you want. And once you're done with everything, just click on check. And this is the filter icon again if you want to add something of filter that will enhance your reel. And then after that, you can click this in here, which is the download button if you want to save it to your gallery. But since I don't want to save it, then I will opt not to click that. And then the next thing we can do is to click on this next right here. Then as you can see, we can also share our reels to Facebook. So let's start sharing our reels to Facebook. And then you can add here a caption. You can share it to your feed, tag people, add topics, location. And there's also advanced settings, which is wherein you can show captions or you can upload it to the highest quality. Once you're satisfied with everything, you can also edit the cover in order to attract people to view your reels. Once you're done, just click the share in here in the bottom and it will upload your reel. So as of now, it is sharing my reel to the page of the Instagram. So after that, once we're done with everything, we can now finish up this reel right here. And that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.